Hello and welcome everybody to our Gymboree Play and Music Myanmar channel. I'm Teacher Ruth and today we're going to make a science experiment called Magic Milk. Let's see how it's done, shall we? Okay, so first for our science experiment, we're going to take a cup of milk and we're going to pour it onto our tray. Or you could use a nice big plate at home. Next, we're going to take an eyedropper and add some food colouring. Okay, next we're going to take a cotton ball, nice and white, and put it into our dish soap. Let's put it into our coloured milk and let's see what happens. Wow! Can you see the colours mixing? So beautiful! It's like our Milky Way. Thank you very much for joining us today for our science experiment on magic milk. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.